welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. And to all my returning subscribers, hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 ways that I have gotten rid of my under eye darkness and sagginess, bags. Like, I get them a lot because I don't sleep much. I sleep in all different weird type of hours during the day and night, and usually I don't sleep at night, so that's why my eye area, like, you can see it there, especially when I'm not wearing makeup. Like, it looks like raccoon eyes, and I don't like that. But I found that these 3 things that I do, or these 3 things that I use under there, always works. Like, in a few days I'll see the results, I'll see it diminishing, and just my eye area will look fresher and more awake right after I do these things. That's why I'm not too worried about like not sleeping or sleeping in weird hours of the day. So this is not going to be one of those videos where I share with you guys any kind of recipe to put under there, or like a DIY mask to put under your eyes, just because honestly, like, not everybody has time to do that. I want to show you guys quick ways, like 1 ingredient thing that you could just put on there, lather it on there before you go to sleep, or even when you wake up, and it will help you throughout the day, throughout the night. While it's on your skin, it will help you fade away the dark circles, the dark spots, the wrinkliness around there, the bags and the sagginess. Everything is taken care of with these 3 ingredients. You can use them together, or you don't even have to use them together. You could just use one of them at a time, or just whatever you like. But these 3 things have worked for me. I've tried them. I continue to use them whenever I need it, and they always work. So the first thing I want to talk about is coconut oil. This is like a miracle for your under eye area. All you need to do is take a little bit and apply it right under the area. I apply it generously at nighttime, and then I go to sleep. By the time I wake up, it's all absorbed into my eye area, and my eye area just looks a lot more awake. The skin around it is hydrated and moisturized. It's not dry, so it's not like wrinkling. And it also just helps fade away any darkness you have under there. And the one I have here is actually from the dollar store. I have a video on my channel where I use this on my hair as a hair mask, because I was very curious to see how a dollar store coconut oil would do on my hair, and it actually turned out very well, surprisingly. I'll link that down below, but this is from the Dollar Tree, and it's amazing coconut oil. It's really nice, especially for your skin, for the under eye area. I mean, you get so much, you could use it anywhere, but the under eye area, it works amazing. So coconut oil is definitely a number 1. It moisturizes the area, gets rid of wrinkles, gets rid of the dark spots, makes the skin look younger, makes the skin feel softer. The number 1 thing to use under your eyes is coconut oil. The next thing I like to use is almond oil. So almond oil is an all-natural lightening agent. It's like an all-natural bleaching properties in the almond oil. And the one that I have here is by OK Pure Naturals, which if you want to use the one that I have, I'll link it down below. You can get so many different kinds of almond oil. Just make sure that it is pure 100% almond oil. You can get it on Amazon. A really good place to get it is like your local Indian Asian store. They have it for really inexpensive. You can get like big ass bottles for like $2. This bottle right here is, I think, $6 or $7. But almond oil is something that is really great for your under eyes. Almond oil absorbs into the skin really well. There's no greasiness. Like with coconut oil, it is a little bit greasy, but it's not a big deal. But almond oil is one of those oils that's like a serum. So it absorbs into your skin really quickly, and it doesn't leave any kind of residue. It lightens the area because it does have lightening properties in it. It fights wrinkles, fine lines, and it also moisturizes and hydrates the area under the eyes. And I also like to apply this like over here too, because I don't know why I get like darkness right here on my eyes. So almond oil is something that always helps. And with almond oil, I see the results very fast. So this is the next thing that I love putting around my eye area to get rid of the sagginess, the darkness, and just all that damage that I do when I don't sleep. And the last thing that I love to use underneath my eyes is a collagen facial oil. Now, this is the one that I use. It's from Morgan Miller, which I will link down below, which I personally love and highly recommend. But if you guys don't want to use this one, you can get collagen serums, collagen facial oils on Amazon. Sometimes you can find them at like Marshall's or TJ Maxx on clearance. Just make sure that it is like collagen oil or collagen serum. A reason that I love to use collagen around the eye area is because I feel like the elasticity around the eye area kind of gets lesser and lesser, like as you age, and also the less sleep that I get, just all the damage that I'm doing around my eyes. When I'm not sleeping, the skin around it suffers, and I feel like the collagen puts the elasticity back in there. It puts collagen back over there so that it's nice and plump and fresher, hydrated, a lot more moisturized, and it just makes the eye area look younger because it's adding something there that should be there but kind of just diminishes with age. Collagen oil I really like to put around my eye area because it doesn't irritate it, which is another reason I really like to use almond oil and coconut oil around the eyes, because it does not irritate the eyes. Even if you get a little bit like in your eye, it doesn't irritate it. It's very gentle, and also it gets rid of all the marks, the darkness, like these three things are really beneficial for the darkness around the eyes. I've experienced it myself where I see it diminishing over a few days. So these are the three things that I love to use under my eyes and around my eyes to make it look younger and fresher, and just to bring it back to life after all of the damage that I put in it or around it when I don't sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my other videos on my channel. I have a bunch. And if you guys want to know how I colored my hair and got this hair color, I get a lot of questions asked about that. I just recently posted a video a few days ago, so I will link that down below and you guys can check that out. I take you step by step and show you guys everything that I use. Well, I just use one box dye, so hint hint, it's very easy. And if you guys want to know how I cut my hair, I have videos on that too. And let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.